Hi! You ever wonder, where does my fishing line go when I dispose of it? Almost feels like it disappears into thin air, right? Well, this is where it goes.
Most of the time when I go fishing, my line breaks. I mean, it's an inevitable problem.
That's like every time I go fishing, I break at least 2 lines.
Oh, almost every time when I go fishing.
I look to change my lines at least once every couple of months because the possibility of them breaking is quite high.
A lot of animals get tied in loose fishing lines and they suffer, and it's not good for the environment.
I read about it on the internet, and I think they eat it and they die. So it's a pretty.
I've considered quite a bit. Whenever I'm cleaning my reels off and changing the line, I like to cut it down quite small, and it doesn't get tangled in any birds because I've seen that quite often.
To not break so often.
I'm usually looking for strength and durability.
Maybe unbreakable thin fishing line.
Did you know it takes 600 years for a normal monofilament fishing line to degrade? What about the fluorocarbon one? It takes 4,000 years. What about strength? Did you know hemp is the strongest fiber on the planet? Unlike conventional fishing lines, which get significantly weaker when wet, hemp actually gets way stronger. We aim to create a sustainable fishing line for recreational fishermen who would like to preserve the fish population for future generations. Our hemp fishing line is a biodegradable product that provides a solution to the environmental problems caused by conventional fishing lines. Hemp can also be used for commercial fishing lines and nets. We hope Hempy can set an example to change the fishing industry in the future. Oh, and by the way, I'm a seahorse.